Hey y'all, what's up? Coming on to introduce this video. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I made shells and cheese, and y'all know it's easy because whatever meal that you like, if you omit the meat, baby, you got a meatless meal. So that's what I'm gonna show y'all, and I'm gonna tell you right now because of course I already did it and ate it. And y'all, it's good. So hopefully y'all will try this right here. I mean, it's absolutely delicious, and the broccoli, it makes it the extra bite. You know what I'm saying? Like you think you eat meat, but you're not. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed, go on ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on by pressing all. Go on ahead and like and share, and please leave a comment. And yeah, right now we out here. Before I let y'all see the video, we out here watching my grandson as he's doing his football practice. Let me turn the camera and let y'all see. Okay, so y'all can see, and he is out there doing his thing out here in this heat, baby. It is football season, and I don't like football. But anyway, yeah, I had to bring him out here today because just helping his mom out, you know, got to be there for the children. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video and stay tuned for other videos. They will be longer, I promise. It's just, you know, life be lifing, and so, you know, you got to do what you got to do. But anyway, I'll see y'all after the video, and I will be still sitting here because I'm here for a good 2 hours. And yeah, see y'all after the video. Enjoy.
Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah. But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. But you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up and this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. Cause my heart just broke and I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah. But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. But you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. But you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home. got someone new, I know it. Yeah, but I will keep on denying. Yeah, yeah. Gotta keep my emotions from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Yeah, 'cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for you and me. Try to explain the way I feel. Let me speak, it's not enough. Can we be real for a minute? You and me, how do we fix this broken hearts now, baby? Yeah. You and me, I can't give up, you can't back down. You and me, I can't keep both feet on the ground. But you and me, we can't just go back to the start again. 'Cause it's not easy, it never is. I can't go back, I don't know any more than this. You're pulling me down like a gravity, so I won't let you into my galaxy. Mad thanks for the ride, but I wanna fly on my own. When the smoke clears into reality, I know it hurts, but I gotta leave. But I want you to know how I feel. In a dream, I let you.
Well, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, and hopefully you guys went on ahead and subscribed and go on ahead and hit that like before you get up out of here if this video helped you in any way. And I will see y'all for the next video. Y'all stay safe and enjoy your meatless shells and cheese. Bye, y'all.
'Cause it's not easy.